Hey guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to add bleed in Canva for professional print-ready designs. Welcome back to the channel. If you've ever sent a design to print and received results with awkward white borders or cut-off edges, then this tutorial is for you. Understanding bleed is essential for anyone creating printed materials like business cards, flyers, posters, brochures, or any professional print project. This might seem technical at first, but I'll break it down into simple steps that anyone can follow. Trust me, once you master this, your printed designs will look so much more professional. Start by opening your design and going to the File menu at the top. Hover over View Settings and click Show Print Bleed. A dotted line will appear around your design. This is your bleed area. Let me explain what bleed actually is. When printers cut your design to size, there can be slight variations in where the cut happens. We're talking millimeters, but it matters. The bleed area is typically 3 millimeters or 1/8 inch of extra space around your design that gets trimmed off. This safety margin ensures that if the cut is slightly off, your design still looks perfect with no white edges showing. The dotted line you see represents where the actual cut will happen, and everything outside that line is the bleed zone. Make sure your backgrounds and design elements extend into this bleed area. For example, if you have a photo background, drag it past the canvas edges to cover the bleed area completely. This prevents unwanted gaps when printing. Here's the key rule. Anything that touches the edge of your design must extend into the bleed area. This includes background colors, background images, borders, and decorative elements. However, keep important content like text, logos, and key graphics inside the dotted line. This is called the safe zone. You don't want crucial information getting trimmed off. A common mistake beginners make is placing text too close to the edge. Always leave at least 3 to 5 millimeters margin from the trim line for text and important elements. Once your design is set, click Share and then Download. Choose PDF, Print, and make sure to check crop marks and bleed. This ensures your file prints perfectly with clean edges. And that's it. The PDF print format is crucial here because it maintains the highest quality and includes all the technical specifications printers need. The crop marks option adds small lines in the corners that show the printer exactly where to cut. Most professional printers require these marks, so always keep them checked. Also, make sure you're downloading at 300 dpi resolution for crisp, clear prints. If you're working with a specific print shop, ask them for their requirements. Some may have specific bleed measurements or file format preferences. Your Canva design is now print ready with proper bleed, giving it a polished professional look. Now you're ready to send your design to any professional printer with confidence. Whether you're printing business cards through an online service, creating promotional materials at a local print shop, or producing merchandise, you'll get clean, professional results every time. This one skill can save you from costly reprints and disappointing results. Remember, the bleed feature is only available in Canva Pro, so if you don't see this option, you might need to upgrade your account. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Canva tips and design tutorials. Drop a comment below if you have any questions about print design or if there's a specific Canva feature you'd like me to cover next. I also have a complete playlist on creating print-ready designs that you should definitely check out. Thanks for watching, and happy designing!